good, everybody? General 315 back again, another sneaker review video for y'all. And today we have an early look at the Jordan 11 Cherries that's coming out in December this year. I think the release date is December 10th. It's been a while since we've seen this shoe. The last time we saw the shoe, it was a low top that came out in 2001, and I think it got retroed in, I want to say 2016, but fact check me on that. Anyway, got this one from our friends over at Icy Star. They hit me up on Instagram and said that they saw my videos, they liked the videos, and they wanted to send me a pair of shoes to review. So I said, yeah, sure, go ahead and send me a pair. They decided to send this pair, and I'm very grateful for that. Go ahead and check them out. Before I get started breaking down the shoe, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys thumbs up the video, like the video, share it with your friends, all those good things that everybody else says in their videos. Please do that here. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for all the latest and greatest updates. You guys can check out my Reels page. Got a little music, got some shoes that I have, things that I've done, things that I will be doing next. And make sure you guys go ahead and follow us in the Discord. The Discord link is in the description. If you want to know where to cop shoes, if you guys need help getting shoes, StockX, GOAT, or by any other means, make sure you guys follow us down there in that Discord. We will help you out. We got a really good community. So Cherry Red 11s, definitely a fly shoe. Really like these joints. I think the original ones, like the 2001 pair and the 2016 pair, is available on StockX and GOAT. I think the StockX and GOAT price is hovering around like $350, but it's kind of an old shoe, so you might not get a really nice quality pair for around $350, but that's what I saw it going for in a size 10.5. I'm not sure about other sizes, but there's that little bit of information there. So let's jump into the shoe. Definitely a clean shoe. This is gonna be a hard shoe to get this December. I don't see a lot of people hitting on these. I think that this will be a general release, but I don't think a lot of people are gonna get a pair of these off the sneakers app or whatever apps you use. Okay, I think that this colorway, seeing to it as it was originally a low top pair and now they put it on a high, this is gonna be tough. This is gonna be tough. But breaking it down, we got a white upper, we got some white ballistic mesh right here. Very, very nice, very durable material. Very nice there. White on the heel right here, and it is a nice leather. I was really impressed with the leather quality. Now, this is an early pair, so I don't know if it's gonna be this good, but you guys can even see it's got some character to that leather, so that's really nice. We have a Jumpman right here, stitched very well. Like the way that looks, no loose stitches or anything like that. We got that red patent leather, and that patent leather looks really good. It's kind of that higher cut, so we might be getting that higher cut on the release, but we'll see when it comes out. I like the way that toe box looks. It looks nice. It's not too flat. It's not all bulbous and pompy. Like, it looks good. We got a white midsole here, standard white midsole. We got that nice icy blue outsole, which looks really good. Going down to the bottom of the shoe, we got these red pods right here. I like the way this looks. This looks so clean. I'm really impressed with the way that this was put together. I really like this with that red, and I may be biased because red's my favorite color, but it's just something about that iciness with that red. You got your herringbone traction there, so if people like to play basketball, you're gonna have some pretty good grip on these. So definitely clean. There is your carbon fiber right there, and I don't know if this does anything for you, but people tell me to scratch it, so there you go. I scratched the carbon fiber. It does look good. It feels durable. It doesn't feel like a piece of plastic. It's definitely a nice solid piece of carbon fiber. The medial side of the shoe looks just like the lateral side of the shoe. We got a nice thick cut of patent leather there, so we do have that going. Heel of the shoe, we have our 23. This looks a little thin to me. I'm not sure if this is thinner or it's supposed to be a little thicker than this, but it does look good. It's lined up well. It looks nice. Also, this is lined up pretty good on both shoes. Sometimes you'll get shoes and it's not lined up, but this looks good. I like the way that looks, and both cuts of patent leather actually equal in size, so that's not bad. We get white laces with these, no extra laces. Going up the shoe, looks good. And then we do have the third spacing right there. Third spacing looks pretty good. I don't have a problem with that. I kind of wish this was maybe black, but to each his own. The height of the tongue looks okay. I'm actually satisfied with that. The height of the tongue is okay. It's not too high, it's not too short. Sometimes you'll get a shorter tongue in some of these shoes, but this looks pretty good. I'm really satisfied with that. Tag in the back of the tongue of the shoe says quality basketball products inspired by the greatest player ever. It looks good. It's lined up well. It's a nice thick piece of fabric there. I don't know if we're going to get this standard shoe tree with these. I'm actually surprised to see this one. You know, normally Jordan 11s get that polyurethane shoe tree, so we may be getting a red polyurethane shoe tree or a black one, but we'll see when it comes out. And here is the insole of the shoe. It is a polyurethane insole. It looks nice. Got the red with the white Jumpman. This polyurethane insole is very nice, very thick cut. You know, you're gonna have a lot of good comfort with these. So there it is, AJ11. So overall, the shoe is pretty nice. I'm liking it. I like red. I'm kind of biased. Red's my favorite color. So if I had to rate the shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll say for the colorway, I'll give it an 8 because it's only really white and red. I'm just glad it's not a solid red shoe, so I'm satisfied with that. For construction and materials, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. This is nice, and that's all I got for this one. So I hope this helps you make a decision in December when this shoe comes out. This one's gonna be hard to get, so be ready. Have your wallets ready, StockX, GOAT, or by any other means. Make sure you get your kicks. It's General 315. I'll see you on the next one. Y'all stay humble, y'all stay blessed. Peace.